Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this Android 8.0 system special for Mazda CX-5 2017 to 2018 years. Okay, the two SD card on top of this position, their reset hole. This microphone. Okay, you can check this our UI interface. You can choose time. You can choose logo. You also can change the logo on this position. Choose Mazda. Okay, this Mazda logo. Okay, you also can change this color theme editor. Any color you can change. Okay, let me check the setting. Let me back to Belsee. Okay, you can check Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. Okay. It's built-in Wi-Fi, already connect Wi-Fi system. Let me check. You can check model is CX5. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. It's built in Google Play Store. This control setting you can check. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce the internet. It's built-in Wi-Fi, already connected. It's this microphone, built-in microphone. Okay. Let me try it support Google Voice command. New York. It will search New York City automatically.
Here is some information about New York City. New York City comprises 5 boroughs sitting where the Hudson River meets the Atlantic Ocean.
It's volume control. It also can support steering wheel control. London. Okay, this is London City. Search. Let me put our website belsee.com, Belsee.com, Belsee.com. Okay, this is our website. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. This new model. Okay. let me introduce navigation. It's built in Google Maps. Moscow. It will search Moscow city automatically. You can touch control. New York. It also can. London. It also can search the London city automatically. It supports Google Voice command. You also can touch control. Okay. There are two USB cable on back of head units. These two USB cable. This is USB driver. Let me connect the USB. The head units will play music automatically. It's past USB 4.
It's my time.
Okay, let me show dual screen. Long press. It supports running Google navigation and music at the same time. Okay. Okay. Let me introduce Bluetooth. This pin number. Okay, this is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Firstly, please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Then click search button. Okay, it's search Galaxy S8 Plus. Click pair. You will get command. Please put this pin number 40 1 2 3 4. Okay, change the color and show Bluetooth icon. Please check it allow access to contacts. It download contact listing from your phone. You can choose it. Okay, music already run the background. When you make a phone call, the music will be stopped. All sound will be stopped. When you hang up, it will play music again. Okay. This is streaming music from your phone. First time, please do not connect and repair it again. Okay. Bluetooth control from your phone. Volume. Okay, this is stream music. You can play video disabled while drive for safety, so need to set it on the settings. Car setting and driving setting, turn on the watch video. USB 4. Okay, this supports 4K. This supports 4K, Samsung 4K demo video. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact to us.